Welcome to our channel. ERD is an industrial electronic repair company that provides an industry-leading 3-year warranty. We don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Square D Micro 1 CP30 PLC is a fixed input, fixed output PLC used in a number of small equipment for basic controls. This unit came from a machining center, and as shown in the video, we were able to not only repair the unit, but we also saved the ladder logic program, which the customer did not have. These controllers can be replaced relatively inexpensively, but the programming contained within can be priceless, depending on the complexity of the machine. ERD has decades of experience saving custom application items such as software, embedded firmware, and ladder logic. We maintain a copy within our system which allows our customers an outside backup of critical information. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more repair videos.